thinks that people of Assam are foolish enough to believe his wild allegations. He does not respect the intelligence and the wisdom of the people of Assam. The people of Assam know that he has built a fabricated story based on allegations only to hide the corrupt rule of his government and how he has used the chair of the Chief Minister of Assam to enrich his family and amass huge properties and illegal wealth. People of Assam have already decided that no matter what Himanta Biswa Sharma says in the upcoming assembly elections, there will be a strong wind of change and a new government will come to power, a government that does not work for the benefit of personal wealth, but a government that will work for the health and education of the poor, for the employment of the masses, for the benefit of the local industries and artisans.
So the Chief Minister, earlier you silenced the Chief Minister also over this matter. So
I have already said that Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma is insulting the intelligence and the wisdom of the people of Assam through his fabricated stories and allegations. Today, on 10th September, we've had a fantastic joining program where many of Himanta Biswa Sharma's colleagues have left him. They have joined the Congress party because they do not want to work in a corrupt government. They want to work for the benefit of the people of Assam, and that is why many experienced ex-MLAs have joined us today, as well as many party workers from different political parties and various civil society activists, both young and old.